Imagine landing a high-paying, high-tech job in just 2 years, without spending 4 years in college. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's happening, and it's because modern apprenticeships are changing the game. Today, we'll break down why apprenticeships are the future and why you should be paying attention. High-tech industries like AI, cybersecurity, and software development used to require years of formal education. But now, more and more companies are turning to apprenticeships to fill roles in record time. It's time to understand how and why these apprenticeships are outperforming the traditional degree route. The shift in education. Let's talk about education. A traditional 4-year degree has been the gold standard for decades. But the job market's changing. Tech industries demand skills, not just knowledge. And when a new coding language can go out of style in a year, that degree starts to look less valuable. Apprenticeships, on the other hand, offer a real-time, hands-on learning environment where you're constantly adapting to new tools and challenges, making you job-ready from day one. The rise of the apprenticeship. Apprenticeships aren't just for trade jobs anymore. Today, Google, IBM, and even tech giants like Apple are offering apprenticeship programs. Why? Because they've realized that the best talent doesn't always come from universities. These programs often last 12 to 24 months, where you work directly with seasoned professionals, learning everything from coding to project management. You earn a paycheck while you learn, and by the end of the program, you've got hands-on experience that will make any employer sit up and take notice. The benefits for both companies and apprentices. So why are companies moving towards apprenticeships? For one, they get a trained worker without the student loan debt. Companies can mold apprentices to fit their specific needs without spending a fortune on expensive degrees that may not be relevant to the job. For apprentices, the benefits are clear too. They don't just sit in classrooms. They're actively contributing to projects and learning on the job, all while building a network in the industry. And let's not forget, they're getting paid for their efforts. The advantages of apprenticeships. Now let's get into the advantages of apprenticeships over traditional degrees. First, apprenticeships are incredibly cost-effective. No tuition fees, no student loans, just a steady paycheck while you learn. Second, apprenticeships are tailored to the job you're aiming for, not a broad, generic education that doesn't always align with the market needs. Third, apprenticeships create direct pathways to employment. In fact, about 80% of apprentices are hired by the companies they trained with. Compare that to the average graduate who struggles to get their foot in the door. High-tech roles. Perfect fit for apprenticeships. When it comes to high-tech roles like software development, data analysis, and cybersecurity, apprenticeships are a perfect fit. The speed of change in tech means companies need workers who can hit the ground running. Here's the thing. Learning code from a textbook is one thing. But learning it in the trenches, solving real-world problems, is a whole different ballgame. That's exactly what apprenticeships offer. The future of jobs. Let's be clear, the job market isn't what it used to be. With the rise of remote work, digital nomadism, and the gig economy, apprenticeships are increasingly becoming the new norm for high-tech careers. The best part? You don't need a 4-year degree to get started. Instead, apprenticeships allow you to gain the exact skills you need without the debt or delay. Companies are more open than ever to the idea of hiring based on skills, not degrees. So the next time someone tells you that you need a 4-year degree to succeed in tech, remember, modern apprenticeships are proving that there's a smarter, faster, and more affordable way to get into the high-tech workforce. It's hands-on, real-time, and it's shaping the future of work. Are you ready to take the plunge? Your apprenticeship might just be the first step toward your dream career. Like what you heard? Hit the subscribe button and let us know in the comments what you think about apprenticeships versus traditional degrees. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching.